So, I'm sure you have seen those facial skincare fridges. So, I also have a fridge, but I don't really think that it's facial. I think everybody used to have this who were a Shopkins lover. So, I was not even born like when Shopkins were made, but I still have a fridge of my sister's, but I put my toys in it. Okay, this is like my Boo Boo corn. This is his car. I love him. His name is Boo Boo. Okay, over here I put my shoes, my Shopkins shoes, and down there is my Shopkins pan. And this is a dispenser right here that opens. So I think you like it.